Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 4 with mods. First, you'll need to decide between using the in-game mod menu or a dedicated mod manager like Vortex. For more complex setups, a manager is highly recommended. It helps prevent conflicts and keeps your game stable. We'll cover the initial setup steps to get you ready for an enhanced Wasteland experience. Let's dive into making your game truly your own. Using a mod manager like Vortex simplifies the process significantly. After installing Vortex, you'll need to point it to your Fallout 4 game directory. This allows the manager to properly deploy and track your mods. Linking your Nexus Mods account directly within Vortex enables one-click downloads, making mod acquisition incredibly convenient. This setup ensures a smoother and more organized modding journey. The Nexus Mods website is your primary hub for Fallout 4 modifications. Explore categories like gameplay, visuals, and new quests to find what interests you. Always read the mod description thoroughly to check for any prerequisites or potential conflicts with other mods. When downloading, choose the Mod Manager download option to automatically add the mod to Vortex, streamlining your installation process. Once downloaded, you'll need to deploy your mods using the Mod Manager. This step integrates them into your Fallout 4 game. Pay attention to your load order, as this determines how mods interact. The manager often helps optimize this. Always test your game after adding new mods to ensure everything runs smoothly. If issues arise, deactivate recent additions one by one to pinpoint the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.